This video will cover email campaigns. An email campaign is a series of emails that you can send out based on a timeline. For example, if you have 6 emails that you'd like to go out over the course of a month, you can set that up through an email campaign. To set up an email campaign, open up the Campaigns module. From the Campaigns module, click on Create New to create a new email campaign. You can put in some information about the campaign on this screen, however the only thing that is required is the campaign name. Once you have that, you can save it. After you click Save, that'll take you to the Campaign Details page. This will show you all the information about the campaign, how many people are on the campaign, how much it cost, the ROI, things like that. There's also the event timeline, which is going to display all of the different events that we create for this campaign. So what I'm going to want to do is start creating new events. I can add new events from the Add New drop-down. I can add a new email event. The event day is the day the event is going to happen. So this particular email is going to go out on the first day I start somebody on this email campaign. Then what I'm going to do is start creating this email. Maybe this is a marketing email and it's going to introduce some of our products. I can start typing out the body of this email and creating this. I can also include information from the records that I'm going to start this email campaign on. Just going to select the module that I'm going to use this email campaign for, and then I can grab some fields from that particular module. Maybe I'll pull in a user's first name and last name. I'll do this just by putting the cursor where I'd like to have that information, then clicking the field on the left side and dragging it onto the body of the email. I can do this with as much information as I would like to, and this will create the email merge. When I'm done designing this, I'm just going to click Save. I can also create task events. Task events are not going to go out to the customer, but are going to come back to me to remind me to do things. So maybe on day 2, the day after the email goes out, I want to create a task to remind myself to follow up and make a phone call with this particular record that's on this campaign. So I can put in the task details here, put it in the description, and then I can click Save to put this particular event on my timeline. So now I've saved that task event to my event timeline here. I've got 2 events on my timeline. I can create as many of these events as I'd like to. Now I'm ready to start adding contacts to this particular campaign. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go open up my contacts module. I'm going to locate the record that I'd like to start on this campaign. And you'll notice next to the email field for this particular record, I have a Start Campaign icon, which I can click on and select a particular campaign, in this case our marketing campaign, to start on this start that campaign. So I'll click Save. It's going to tell me that it's been started on that campaign. It'll also tell me how many events are in the campaign and how many have gone out to that particular email address. If I want to take it off, I just hit the red delete button.